Can they win this event? All the fans, players and staff know what the team have to achieve. Well, let's get going with today's game. Mbappe. Oh, that's great determination. Rodrigo shoots. Great reflexes from the keeper. The new taker will stand over this corner. He couldn't direct that header goalward. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. It's Messi with the ball. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. This is Haaland. He loves to run with the ball. Oh, not a great challenge. Salah. Long shot. So close, it's hit the bar. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. It's Messi with the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. Throw taken long. Leao with the ball. Is this the moment? And Haaland scores. So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and I'll be hoping to get more. Here's Van Dijk. That's nicely played. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Oh, the player boots it away. Throw in here. Salah. This is Haaland. Great understanding between this team. And it's Ronaldo. And it's half-time and still only 1-0. Will we see more goals in the second half? They're so comfortable in possession. Really good possession here. He's got the ball at his feet. Alexander-Arnold with a tackle. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. Hakimi. Great dribbling. This is Haaland. This team look eager for more goals, and it's looking likely they'll get them. Van Dijk with a tackle. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Fernandes with a tackle. Vinicius Junior, great run. Here's his chance. Van Dijk with a tackle. He steps up to steal the ball. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. They're all trying to get that one valuable goal. Hakimi. Ronaldo. It hit the post so close. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Good defending. De Jong with the tackle. Vinicius. Oh, look at their celebrations. What a goal. Well, as you can see, he was a long way out there, but he connected sweetly to put the ball in the back of the net. A solid win and a clean sheet. The players will be encouraged by that 2-0 victory. The fans take their seats. The ref is moments away from starting the game. Referee gets his match underway. Leao with the ball. Surely now. He got his body in the way. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. He's cut it back inside. Confident pass. And De Bruyne scores. Nobody thought they had a chance today, but they've got the opening goal. Hakimi. Silva. Haaland shoots. Instinctive save. Oh, whipped in with pace. Good interception. Alisson, fantastic stop. The striker picks it up. Oh, that's great determination. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Short throw. Gets it to safety. Who will win possession? Long shot. Gets in the way of the shot. Hakimi tackles. This is Haaland. Gets the shot in. Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Well, I think we're all looking forward to seeing that goal again. He was far out, but didn't put the player off. Fantastic finish. Modric. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. Well read. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, well timed. The first 45 minutes are up, and one of these teams is firmly in control. It's 2-0. Bellingham with the ball. What a chance! Alisson, fantastic stop. Whipped in. It's Son. Alisson collects. He's headed the ball forward. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Haaland shoots. Alisson, fantastic stop. Aim towards a penalty spot. Oh, executed perfectly. A great goal to score from the corner. Great technique there. Kept his eye on the ball and placed his header well to put it past the goalkeeper. Tries the long pass. Passed into the box. What will he try? Alisson, fantastic stop. Whipped in. An outstanding header. A good goal from the corner. They've practiced that one in training. Bellingham with the ball. Van Dijk with the tackle. Some really fluid passing on display. He's got the goal in his sights. It's Haaland. That goal, his second of the match. Mbappe. And he's won it back for his team. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased with his team's performance today. Haaland shoots. Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. This is Haaland. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it? Oh, and it's in! Fantastic goal to make up the player's hat-trick. He's in fine form. The manager's using up all 5 subs at once. Headed on. This is Haaland. And they could be in trouble here. All that's left is to beat the keeper. Oh, it's a goal! 4 goals for this player. He's unstoppable. Can they win this event? All the fans, players and staff know what the team have to achieve. What will be the outcome of today's game? Headed on. Real with the ball. He can't miss. Scintillating football. That goal was a true team effort. Salah. Throw in here. What a well-timed tackle. Valverde tackles. Nice pass. Alisson collects. Good passing on display. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Wayward pass, normally so accurate with his distribution. He's flicked it forward. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. A long distance pass. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Mbappe. Gets the shot in. They've levelled the match. The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game and hope they can grab another goal. He's knocked it long. Good defending. Oh, this is crisp passing. Haaland shoots. He was a long way out, but it made little difference. He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal. Surely now. Van Dijk with a tackle. Well, they needed to get that one away, and they have. Tries the long pass. He's got the ball at his feet. Instinctive save. Headed forward. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. And he's won it back for his team. Nodded on. Here's his chance. Stunning save there. Aim towards a penalty spot. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. Great block by the defender. He attempts a long pass. This is Haaland. Surely now. They've struck back and a level. The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same. They're bringing on 4 subs all at the same time. What influence can he have on the pitch? It's level. It looks like this team are going for the win today. He goes for goal! It's level. They can still win this, but they need to be organised at the back. Ronaldo! It hit the post so close. It's late, but anything can still happen. Harrison, fantastic stop. Whipped in. Good interception. Won the ball. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. The tackles are flying in at the moment. Vinicius Junior, great run. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. That's well out by the defence. And this exciting game unfortunately comes to an end. Until next time, it's goodbye. Well, the fans are singing, the players have warmed up, the game is just moments from kick-off. Hakimi. It's a freezing cold day and the players have to keep themselves warm on the touchline. This is Haaland. What will he try? It's off the bar. Senses a danger and gets it away. Jorginho shoots. That sailed wide of the goal. And that's lofted upfield. He's got the ball at his feet. Haaland shoots. And the shot has gone wide. That first shot missed the goal. They'll have to sharpen up. And now De Bruyne. He dribbles the ball forward. Haaland shoots. Oh, look at their celebrations. What a goal. He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal. And he's won it back for his team. It's Messi with the ball. Good defending there. Neymar. Oh, that's great determination. Long throw there. He's taking the ball out wide. Moving down the flanks here. An ambitious pass. He did well to win the ball back. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. He's thrown it long. This is Haaland. It's 1-0 at half-time, and the end result is far from certain. What will happen in the second half? So, 45 minutes left. What will happen in the remainder of the game? Oh, and dispossessed there. Well read. Volleyed on. Vinicius Junior, great run. He's found an opening. He couldn't keep that shot down and it's gone flying over. Headed on. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Can they make this attack count? They need to get back into this game. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. This is a physical game, lots of tackles being made. Well cut out. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, confident defending. Throw in here. Well, they're really pushing for an equaliser and there's not much time left. Passing the ball really well. The cross comes in. Now Diaz. He steps up to steal the ball. Well timed then, great defending. Haaland drives forward. Is this the moment? The woodwork denies him again. The full-time whistle sounds, the 90 minutes are up. That's all for today. And the home team have been announced. This 4-1-2-1-2 formation has an attacking midfielder pushing forward and a defensive one holding back. He's got the ball at his feet. Cancelo. That's good link-up play. Ronaldo! There was way too much power on that shot. That was the first shot today. They'll hope they can do better later on. Nodded on. He's shaping to shoot. Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution. Won the ball. Headed forward. This is Haaland. Oh, this is crisp passing. Hakimi with his great run. What will he try? Good defending there. Well cut out. Great pass. Volleyed on. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. He loves to run with the ball. And the goalkeeper eases the pressure. He steps up to steal the ball. They're so comfortable in possession. Goalless set at half-time. Both teams need goals if they're going to win. So, we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes. It's whipped into the box. Oh, good save by the goalkeeper. Is this the moment? Lovely passing here. Mbappe. Alisson collects. De Jong. Well timed then. Great defending. The attacker is in possession. What an opportunity! Mbappe! Oh, a thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. Now Diaz. The referee very much in control of this game, and he hasn't had to show a card. Subs are coming on and changes are being made. He's headed the ball forward. Passed into the box. Surely now. Great understanding between this team. Surely now. It's hit the post. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals. They're all trying to get that one valuable goal. He dribbles the ball forward. Long throw there. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. Goal for Mbappe. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Let's see that one again. A long-distance pass. Oh, and dispossessed there. Oh, De Bruyne! They went down to a 2-0 scoreline. Not good enough. They put up no real resistance today. Here we are, the atmosphere just beginning to build to what surely will be an exciting game of football. It's time for this fixture to get underway. It's a throw-in. Tries the long pass. Throw taken long. Salah. Mbappe. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. And it's Ronaldo. Well timed then. Great defending. He's played it long. They're struggling to string their passes together. Mbappe! Keeper got a hand to it. And that one swung into the box. Oh, there from Haaland. And he's put them in front here after some great play. Will they extend their lead further? Perfectly executed. Oh, he did really well there. Is this a goal? He's done it. That's his second goal. Neymar. Nodded on. Haaland drives forward. Surely now. Oh, that's a really dangerous cross. De Bruyne to take the corner. Off the woodwork. So close. A long distance pass. He's got the ball at his feet. That's going to be a corner. Aim towards a penalty spot. Throw in here. And that's lofted upfield. Oh, wayward pass. Normally so accurate with his distribution. There's a 2-0 deficit at half-time, but that can all change in the second half. Now Diaz. That's an easy call. It's a goal kick. Neymar. It's Messi with the ball. The ref has to do something here. Now it's Coutinho. What a chance! Oh, we've seen some big tackles today. Oh, there's an opening here. And he's won it back for his team. Oh, that's great determination. That's a rare poor pass from this skilled player. Is this the moment? Off the post. Booted forward by the keeper. It's Messi with the ball. He got that pass all wrong. That's not like him at all. He loves to run with the ball. Nice pass. Just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield. Oh, nice finish. He's put them back into it. Well, I think we're all looking forward to seeing that goal again. He was far out, but didn't put the player off. Fantastic finish. Now Diaz. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. Senses the danger and gets it away. Benzema on the run. And he's clear of the defence. They left it late, but they've equalised. There's a look of confidence about the team now as they've drawn level. Can they get in front now? So, still all square, both sides. Well, they deserve a point. However, there's still time left to cause a late upset. Oh, and dispossessed there. Chiellini with a tackle. Oh, well intercepted. He clears the ball to safety. It's full time. The referee draws this match to a close, and what a match it's been.